It was pretty interesting to see the different ideas that people could come up with.
I was kind of in awe with some of the projects.
Despite the differences in culture and backgrounds, I found that there was a lot of similarities between the different people I went and met there.
You don't know where this is going to take you, and you just have a lot of options to explore. So I would definitely encourage other students to participate in this event.
Invent for the Planet is a global competition which is held in particular universities that are affiliated with Texas A&M, the one that hosts this event. It's a 48-hour challenge that initially happens in each university, and students are given global problems. They're put in teams and together they're given a problem statement and they have to come up with a unique solution to that problem.
When we were doing IFTV in Habib, we would just joke among ourselves oh, imagine if we end up winning this. It was just a joke, and then we won that. So we're like, okay. Imagine we qualify for the final rounds, and then we did after a few weeks, and we're like, okay, this happened. So it was just a series of unexpected events. So we were just consistent throughout the whole process.
So our problem statement was circular economy and blue bioeconomy.
So during the 48-hour research period, we had a lot of ideas that we came up with. We would take the feedback of several instructors, and they would just guide us to include the sustainability factor in our project, which led us to come up with FinDiesel.
We created FinDiesel, which essentially converts the fish waste into diesel, which the fishermen can use them by themselves. So this way it helps the economy. Plus it eliminates the need to dump all of this fish waste back into the ocean, so helping the environment as well.
As we went along the process of iterating our ideas, we realized that a technical solution won't be a viable solution. It was a bit challenging, but it was a good endeavor to dive into a non-technical solution space, which was a kind of a very enlightening experience.
All of us worked equally, and we divided the project into modules, and everyone worked on modules that they were more comfortable in and had skills in it.
Shafaq and Shayan took the responsibility of turning fish oil into diesel, which was the core objective of our project, and that really carried the entire project and really highlighted our objective.
Us being from a third world country did not really afford a fancy prototype. In fact, we put it together last minute, just a night before the presentation in fact. That prototype put together with pieces of equipment that was borrowed from the hotel staff, such as gloves, actually ended up winning because we realized how it's not just about the prototype but a lot about the idea.
We had a lot of support from the HU faculty. All of us are CS and electrical students, and our project FinDiesel required a lot of biochemistry and background knowledge. And we would especially like to thank Dr. Humaira Jamshed for her continued support and help during IFTP.
And also Dr. Anzar for leading this program and giving so many students the opportunity to make the most of it. And Faiza, she's a researcher at Playground. She helped us a lot after the win with all of the logistics and planning. We do want to make this product into a reality, publish research papers on it, and eventually turn this into a useful product.
We can also partner with non-profit organizations and work with them to implement the scheme we have proposed, which could benefit both this economy of Pakistan and the fishermen as well, and basically put our project to a good use.